Unit 10 Tricks of the Trade. Lesson 19. Girls, Nina, you look good. Is that another new sweater? You've seen it before, but I've turned it round so the buttons go down the back. That's clever, but it's so simple. It's easy enough for anyone to do this kind of thing. Not me. I'd love to be able to dress well. I try hard, but I just can't look fashionable. It's not about fashion. You just need to enjoy your clothes. It's easy for you. You are pretty enough to wear anything. You'd look great in a black plastic bag. Honestly, Pat, it's about style, not fashion. Style is about wearing the right shapes and colors for you. For example, I never wear white next to my face. White is too cold for me to wear. Cream's a better color for me. How do you know that? Oh, these are tricks of the trade. Would you like me to teach you? Would I? I'd love you to.